Hello guys, how are you doing? Welcome to this video. In case you're new here, my name is Miss Kenywa, and guys, today's video is long overdue. I wanted to do it like a week ago, but I was unable to do it, but I'm going to do it today. And the reason for doing this video is this package that I got from Tweb beauty shop. And the package is cute, and this is their contact. Tweb Beauty Shop is a shop that deals with press-on nails. If you are about saving your coins, this is for you. If you are about saving some time, this is for you. If you are a working mom or a professional, these nails are for you because they come in medium and short length, that's making it suitable for professionals and working moms. And also, their nails are just peel and press, so you save on time. You don't have to go to the salon for 3 hours because these ones got you. And unlike other nails that are in the market, theirs are cheap and smudge proof, so they are quality nails. And I will put all other information that you might want to know on the description box. You can also ask me any question that you have about them on the description box, and in case you want to contact them, I will leave their contacts on the description box below and also on the comment section below. And guys, I want us to unpack it. I want us to see what is inside here. What is it called? Unboxing. Yeah, I was looking for that word. I want us to unbox the nails with you and whatever is inside here. Also, I have some good news for you at the end of this video, so keep on watching. So here are my nails, and then we have these stickers. These ones are for putting on top of the nails, and they come with a prep pad. They also come with this strip, and they also come with this file, this nail file. And the nails are 24 in number, and according to here, they can last you up for a week. And then this package comes with instructions on how you can apply them in minutes, so you don't have to worry about that. It also comes with instructions on how you can remove them in seconds, so you don't have to worry that. But one thing, these nails can last you up to 3 weeks if you take good care of them. I will link a video on how you can take care of them to last you up to 3 weeks. So that is that. It comes with 24 nails, the prep pad, the nail file, and this strip. I will show you what this one is for. My nails, okay, we can still file them kidogo, especially on the sides. I'm going to apply one hard with you. I have already cut my nails, and these ones are the short length. They have the medium length and the short ones. These are the short ones. So you file your nails, and then this strip is for pushing the cuticles back, like pushing this part back like that, so that you can have a longer nail like that, you see. And then you take the prep pad. So you take the prep pad, clip your nail like that, and then you can fit these ones to see which one fit. I'd already done that, so this one goes here. As you can see, it fits here. So what you do is, you see it has a peel. You peel it and place it. As simple as that. And I'm telling you, this adhesive is really strong. So we do the same for the second finger. You push this part back like that, so that you can have like a longer nail. Prep your nail with a prep pad and then see which one fit. Of course this one is going to fit here, so you peel and place. You do the same for this finger. Push this part back. Let's see which one will fit here. This one is bigger. This one. So we peel. Go to this other finger. Repeat the same process. And guys, this is the first time I'm doing this, so if I can do it, you can definitely do it. I have some pretty small nails, but they have nails for all sizes. Just like that. Then the last finger, we repeat the same. This one is bigger, so that one is quite small. So this one fit, so you peel it. And just like that, guys, they have perfect nails. If you want to like decorate them like this, you can use the strips, these ones. Let me try decorating one. I think for this I'll need a nail cutter. Then I will cut this part. If you need to decorate them like that, you can do that, but I'm not going to be doing that right now. Also, I will do this hard off camera and I will see you later. Just look at that. And the adhesive is strong. I feel like it's holding on to my fingers. Guys, look at that, my nails are looking perfect, and I didn't go to a salon. Like in less than 10 minutes I have these nails, and you can also decorate them. You can pray aloud with the strips and all that, and I love them. And the adhesive, you guys, is strong. Like I can feel it on my fingers, but it's starting to relax. I love them. And you could also get one pair for yourself. One goes for 1500 Kenyan shillings. I will leave their WhatsApp number on the description box below and on the comment section below, so that you can WhatsApp them, ask for yours, order for yours, and ask them anything else that I haven't tackled in this video and on the description box below. And they do deliveries, you guys, so I don't see why you shouldn't get yourself one. You can also follow them on Instagram at Tweb Beauty Shop. Follow them on Facebook at Tweb Beauty Shop. And I still have 5 left. 5 of them left. Yeah, so that is perfect. I did it, and this is my first time installing them. So if I did it, you can do it too. And it comes with, the nails comes with a manual. One of the things that I didn't do is to arrange the correct size for each nail, like put them aside and all that to make it faster. It could have taken me even shorter time, but we still did it. And guys, I have 5 left. I feel like I am bragging. I have 5 sets left, and you can be the winner of one set. What you have to do, go on Facebook, follow Tweb Beauty Shop. Go on Instagram, follow Tweb Beauty Shop. Go on Instagram and follow me at Terry Kinywa, and comment on the recent post on my feed. Tell me why you deserve these nails and what you have loved most about them, and you can be the winner of one. I am giving one to 5 people because I have 5 sets and I don't want to give them to one person. So you can be the winner of one. Also comment on Tweb Beauty Shop on Facebook and tell them what you think about their nails, what you love most about their nails, and you can be the winner of one. And I intended to make this video as short as possible. Actually wanted to make it like less than 5 minutes. I hope I have achieved that. So that is it about this video, guys. Kindly do remember to give it a thumbs up, share it out with your friends, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.